In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop syncing Google Calendar with Pipedrive CRM. If you've connected your Google Calendar to Pipedrive in the past, you might reach a point where you no longer want your events to sync between the two. Maybe you've switched to a different calendar, you're cleaning up duplicate events, or you simply want to manage your schedule separately. Whatever the reason, turning off this sync is quick and fully reversible, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, make sure you're logged in to your Pipedrive account in your web browser. Once you're in, look to the very top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile area, which might be shown as your name, your initials, or a small profile icon. Click on that. A drop-down menu will appear, and from this menu, choose Personal Preferences. This is where all your user-specific settings live, including your calendar connection. When the Personal Preferences page opens, you'll see several tabs across the top. Find the tab labeled Calendar Sync and click on it. This section controls how Pipedrive talks to your Google Calendar, including what's currently connected and how events are being shared. On the Calendar Sync page, you should see details about your current Google Calendar connection. Look for an Edit button, usually near the sync information. Go ahead and click Edit. This opens the configuration view where you originally set up the sync. Inside this view, you'll see an option to stop syncing. This is the key action that disconnects your Google Calendar from Pipedrive. Click the Stop Syncing button once. As a safety measure, Pipedrive will show a confirmation pop-up, asking if you're sure you want to stop the sync. This is to prevent you from disconnecting your calendar by accident. Take a moment to confirm this is the correct calendar and the correct account you want to disconnect. When you're ready, click Stop Syncing again in the confirmation pop-up. After this, Pipedrive will stop syncing events with your Google Calendar. New events you create in Google Calendar won't appear in Pipedrive, and events you create in Pipedrive won't be pushed to Google Calendar anymore. If you ever change your mind, you can return to the same Calendar Sync tab and set up the connection again from scratch. For now, that's all you need to do to successfully stop syncing your Google Calendar with Pipedrive CRM.